Hi, I'm Mike Goulian, and I'm here today to introduce you to one of the most cost-effective safety enhancements you can make to your airplane, the Whelen Aerospace BoomBeam HID landing lights for the Citation CJ Series. We'll also be taking a look at how that compares to the stock light. The stock belly landing lights on the Citation jet use a par 46 light with this fixture. Published average lab life on these lamps is 10 hours. Due to mounting restrictions within the aircraft, a FRESNEL lens is needed to redirect the light forward to where it's required for landing purposes. The downside to this approach is the lens reduces the light transmission by over 30%. Next, we'll review the Whelen Aerospace BoomBeam HID lighting system. The belly landing light system for the CJ Series features precision CNC bracketry, mil-spec powdercoat finish, and Whelen Aerospace patented dual light technology. The dual 85-watt lights fit in the same footprint, produces minimal heat, and deliver 1,300,000 candle power per each assembly. This translates into over 2.6 million candle power for the entire aircraft. Now, this is the performance you would expect for a landing light system. A brilliant white light with extended range and coverage. Whether you're landing at night or taxiing at an unfamiliar airport, your stress will be a thing of the past. Not to mention, increased safety of flight for your crew and passengers.